Replacing the windows in your Frisco home is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an investment in comfort, energy efficiency, and property value. While the process may seem straightforward, many homeowners make mistakes that end up costing them extra time, money, and frustration. If you're considering window replacement in Frisco, here are the most common pitfalls to avoid and how to ensure a smooth project. Choosing windows based on price alone, it's tempting to go with the lowest bid or the cheapest product on the shelf. However, windows are a long-term investment, and selecting the wrong ones can lead to higher energy bills, poor insulation, and reduced durability. Low-quality frames may warp in Frisco's hot summers, and cheap glass might fail to block UV rays effectively. Instead, focus on value. Look for energy-efficient models, warranties, and materials that are built to withstand Texas weather. Overlooking energy efficiency. One of the top reasons homeowners replace their windows is to improve insulation and lower utility bills. Unfortunately, many people still purchase standard glass without considering energy-efficient upgrades. Features such as low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and argon gas fills can make a huge difference in maintaining indoor comfort. In a city like Frisco, where summers are long and hot, overlooking these options means you're missing out on significant savings and comfort. Ignoring local building codes and WA rules. Frisco neighborhoods often have strict WA guidelines and local codes that affect exterior home improvements. Some homeowners make the mistake of purchasing and installing windows without checking these requirements first. The result? Costly fines, delays, or even the need to redo the project entirely. Before you buy, confirm with both the city and your homeowners association that your chosen style and installation meet regulations. DIY installation without the right experience. Window replacement may seem like a manageable DIY project, but it's far more complex than it looks. Precise measurements, proper sealing, and correct frame placement are critical for performance. A poorly installed window can cause drafts, leaks, and long-term structural damage. Unless you have professional training, it's best to leave installation to certified contractors who understand Frisco's climate demands and building standards. Not considering the home's architectural style. Windows contribute to curb appeal, and mismatched designs can hurt your home's overall look. For example, installing modern aluminum windows on a traditional brick home may clash with the aesthetic. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing function over form without balancing both. Work with a contractor who can recommend styles that enhance your home's character while meeting performance needs. Skipping professional measurements. Even a small error in measurement can lead to ill-fitting windows that compromise energy efficiency and security. Homeowners sometimes rely on their own rough estimates, only to find the windows don't align properly. Professional contractors use specialized tools to ensure precise measurements, which saves you money and stress in the long run. Failing to plan for the future. Window replacement is not something you want to revisit every few years. Some homeowners cut corners by installing windows that don't account for long-term needs, such as family growth, resale value, or rising energy costs. Planning ahead and investing in durable, efficient windows ensures you won't need to replace them prematurely. Final thoughts. Window replacement in Frisco can dramatically improve your home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance, but only if done right. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll save yourself from unnecessary costs and hassles. Choose quality materials, prioritize energy efficiency, and rely on experienced professionals to guide you through the process. With the right approach, your new windows will be a lasting upgrade you'll enjoy for years to come.